Hello everyone, making tofu pudding simple. No need for gypsum, brine, or glucono-delta-lactone. Super easy method. 1 egg turns soy milk into tofu pudding. Few know this technique, it tastes better than restaurants. Today, the chef will share the detailed recipe. We prepare 160 grams of soybeans, enough to make 8 servings of tofu pudding. Add some water and wash the soybeans thoroughly. Then add more water and soak them for 5 hours. You can also soak the soybeans the night before, so they're ready to use the next morning. Once the soybeans are soaked, drain them to remove the excess water. Next, we prepare a basin of water. The weight of this water should be 10 times that of the dry soybeans, which is 1,600 grams. All the water needed in the following steps will be taken from this basin, so the concentration of the soy milk will stay within a set range. Now, let's make the soy milk. Add an appropriate amount of water to the soybeans. Again, take the water from the basin, then put them into a blender and blend into soy milk. Try to blend it as finely as possible. Strain the blended soy milk using a steamer cloth or a filter bag. Do not skip this step. Only by filtering the soy milk will the resulting tofu pudding be smooth and tender. Pour the remaining water from the basin into a pot and start heating it directly. Once the water is hot, pour in the soy milk as well. Cooking soy milk this way means you don't need to stir at all, and it won't stick to the bottom. At this point, you'll notice a lot of foam on the surface. You can skim it off if you want, or just leave it. Since the foam is just tiny bubbles, once it boils, the bubbles will burst and the foam will disappear or reduce. When the soy milk comes to a boil, it will start bubbling up, so there's really no need to stir it with a spoon. Make sure to cook the soy milk thoroughly, otherwise it could cause diarrhea. After it comes to a boil, let it cook for 5 more minutes, then turn off the heat and set it aside to cool down. Next, let's prepare the coagulant for the tofu pudding, which is this egg. Crack the egg into a bowl, beat it with chopsticks, then add a pinch of salt to help it set, and mix it well again. Once the soy milk has cooled down to below 60 degrees Celsius, pour it into the egg mixture. 1 egg is about 60 grams, so we just need to add 260 grams of soy milk. Remember, the temperature of the soy milk can't be too high, or you might end up cooking the egg into egg drop soup. The soy milk can also be cooler. Room temperature is fine too. Then, measure water into the pot, and once boils, steam 6 minutes. If using room temperature soy milk, steam 12 minutes. Time's up, and our tofu pudding is done steaming. This tofu pudding is silky, tender, fragrant, nutritious, and healthy, without gypsum, brine, or glucono-lactone. Method simple. Tofu pudding easy, add meat or chicken broth, toppings adjusted local tastes. Here, I'm just going to season it directly, add a suitable amount of light soy sauce, a little chili oil, some sesame paste, a bit of garlic water, and a sprinkle of chives and cilantro. And that's it, ready to eat. It's smooth, tasty, and the flavor is fantastic. If you like it, save this recipe. If you enjoyed my video, please remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.